We've been covering lately for the magazine the expansion of the bank in Africa and sort of the Pan-African strategy of the bank.
Yes.
Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Well, we started right from the word go in 1988 when we had our first subsidiary as a regional bank. So we've always believed in Africa, and we've always taken it that Middle Africa is our home. So we've built this unique footprint, and to be actually a very good distribution platform, especially for cash management, payments, collections, cross-border trade, cross-border credits.
And you are now in how many countries in Africa?
We are now in 32 African countries, operating in 30 of these 32 African countries in sub-Saharan Africa, excluding South Africa.
And there is more room to grow, more countries?
Yes, we intend to be in Equatorial Guinea, in Southern Sudan, in Mozambique. We intend to convert our rep office in Angola into a full subsidiary, be in Madagascar, and hopefully also have a rep office in Ethiopia.
We are here in Tokyo because of the IMF and the World Bank. And there is a lot of discussion of what the crisis in Europe and the problems in the US have done to the world economy and emerging market and frontier market. What is your perspective?
Well, I think that the emerging markets, especially in Africa, has weathered the crisis fairly well. However, will be impacted. You realize that most of the emerging world and Africa especially exports to Europe and the Americas. So if their economies are having challenges, definitely it would come back to us. But it also opens an avenue for more trade and interaction between African countries. Okay, I think that African trade has been growing, albeit at a slower pace, from 8% in 2008 to about 10%. But there's more room for us to do work together. So I think yes, there will be an impact on us, negative impact. But the flip side is that it also gives us the opportunity. To work better.
And in fact, I think the bank, one of the reasons of the growth is that maybe European banks are pulling out a little bit of Africa, and there is more room for them.
Definitely, we are filling that space. But it's a small global village, so we'll still need our European and American partners to be strong, so that together we build a great world together.